What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to get X-Ray on your Minecraft Bedrock edition. So let's get right into this. So essentially all you need to do is download the X-Ray texture pack, as you can see over here. You can get it from multiple websites. The one I'm on is curseforge.com. You can see it has over 100,000 downloads, and essentially you want to have this downloaded and then installed into your Minecraft game pack, basically, to have this texture there. Once you do it, essentially you can there's all different ones, but they will have like some form of like way to tell you essentially how to utilize it. But it even tells you like this mod removes the texture of unnecessary blocks in your game and lets you easily see ores like diamonds, emerald, redstone, etc., which is hence the X-Ray, right? The thing is, there are different ones as well. I do think this is like one of the better ones. It obviously has a lot more downloads, but there are a lot of other websites where you can get it from, because this one says better X-Ray. Like I said, there are other ones. I would always recommend like kind of looking at what people's comments are, where people are saying stuff. Like you can see like it'll essentially look like this. You can see these folks are saying these are old. So there are other ones that you can look into as well, but basically you can always just Google X-Ray or Bedrock Edition, basically Minecraft, get that, install it, and then essentially go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Tutorials out. Peace.